Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am doing a recent favorites video. It's been a hot minute since I've shared with you some of my favorites. This video is gonna have hair, it's gonna have skincare, it's gonna have some food items, it's gonna have just a plethora of things. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you don't miss any future uploads, and like and share this video to help out my channel. I would love you for that. And I would love to see what your favorite things recently have been, so leave them in the comments so I can check them out. Maybe there's some things that I need to pick up. All right, without further ado, we're gonna jump on into my favorites video. One of my absolute favorite things, which I know you guys already know about, is my Dossier perfumes. I want to thank Dossier for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. These perfumes, y'all, are my go-tos. It's literally all I use now, and I've turned, I think, all of my friends and family members on to this perfume brand. It is a luxury-inspired perfume company. Dossier has all of your favorite iconic perfumes without the high price tag. You can save up to 90% on your favorite luxury scents, and if I'm being honest, these perfumes last even longer on my skin than some of the most high-end perfumes that I own. They are cruelty-free, they have clean ingredients, and there are no markups. Their colognes and perfumes start at $29. When you open it up, it comes with a little insert that talks all about the perfume that you purchased. I know I've mentioned this one several times. I just got another bottle of this one because I cannot get enough of it. This is the scent Ambery Saffron, and it has notes of saffron, orange blossom, jasmine, plum, cedarwood, oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. So you get a full-size bottle, but you also get a little tester tube right here. This is what you're gonna test out the scent with. You're gonna spray it on your body, you're gonna sniff it, you're gonna feel it out, you're gonna wait a few minutes and see how your natural oils mix with it and see if you really like it. If you love it and you wanna keep it, then you open up the big bottle. If you don't like it, then you can send it back. You can keep the little tester, but you send back the full bottle for a full refund or exchange it for a different scent. This one is called Floral Lavender. This is a new one to me, inspired by YSL Libre. Oh my gosh, that smells stinking incredible. Oh my goodness. This is like such a good springtime summery scent. I'm just telling y'all, you're gonna keep on hearing me talk about it until I feel like every single one of y'all have heard about it, have tried it out. If you love perfumes, you like smelling good, and you wanna save money, this is where it is at. I'll leave everything in the description box so that you can check it out, and I will leave the name of these two. Y'all, this Floral Lavender, oh, this might be just as good as the Ambery Saffron. Thank you again to Dossier for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. And now we are gonna go ahead and talk about the rest of my favorites. I feel like I have a lot of stuff, so I'm really gonna try to roll through this. First thing I wanna talk about is a face wash that I've been absolutely loving. This is by Dr. Rogers. It's called their Restore Face Wash. If you are someone that doesn't like to double cleanse, I do love to double cleanse because I love to make sure that all of my makeup is off my face, not clogging my pores and all of that. But if you are someone that wants to just wash your face very, very quickly and you don't like to double cleanse, this face wash will get off every bit of your makeup, oil, dirt, grime. Like, it is quick and it's very effective, and I love it for that reason. And this is actually a product that you can select with the Spring FabFitFun box. So if you do the FabFitFun box, then check this out because it's so good. All right, the next product is a hair product, and this one I've been absolutely loving, y'all. You've seen this in a video recently, but I haven't really talked about why I love it, and this is the Hask Curl Care Curl Shaping Jelly. Backstory, if you were a Diva Curl fan back in the day before all the craziness happened, and you liked the product Believe In, it was one of my absolute favorites, especially for refreshing my hair. It was one of my favorite products. It had a different consistency to it. It was like a gel, but it wasn't a gel. It was, I don't know, it was like a weird in-between cream and gel type product. This is supposed to be a gel, but it's a very kind of light jelly consistency. It's not your normal gel, and I have been obsessed with refreshing my hair with this. It's a pretty close dupe to the Diva Curl Believe In product. I really love it. I love the entire line, but I really love this one out of that line. My next products is basically a skincare line that I just take all my money. I just keep on spending my money on this line, and I love it so much. And that is the Glow Recipe line. Y'all, I've talked about their watermelon overnight mask, which I'm obsessed with. I've purchased like 3 or 4 of them. It's so good. Well, I discovered this because this was a TikTok viral product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Whew, this product has quickly become like my favorite skincare product. It gives the skin the most beautiful glow. It's just so dang good. Because I love this so much, I decided to get these 2, and I got the tiny like travel sizes. This is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. I love it so much that I just bought the big bottle of it. So if that tells you anything, like I'm not one that just like goes and spends money on toners because I can kind of take it or leave it. But this one, my favorite toner ever. And of course now I've got the big one, so yay for that. And then this one right here, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer Hydrant, and this is a really great hydrating moisturizer. It's very thin in consistency. I like to use this during the day. The whole line is just bomb, and the Niacinamide Dewdrops, all-time favorite product right now. All right, let's talk about another hair item that I have been loving. This product I purchased a long time ago from Sephora, maybe 6 months ago, and it's just kind of sat in my hair products, and I haven't been reaching for it, and I don't know why. So I pulled it out, started using it, and now I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I don't know why I hadn't been using it. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. So you can use this on wet or dry hair, and I tend to do both. So when I get out the shower and I've washed my hair, I will add this in first. But I also like to use this after my hair is already styled and everything, and I like to use this at the end. I put a few drops in my hand, rub my hands together, scrunch it in, smooth it over my hair. It adds a nice shine to my hair, and it has that amazing like Olaplex scent to it. It's so good. I love it. If you haven't tried this, highly recommend. This product is gonna seem really random, but I'm telling you, it's like so versatile, and it's not like the prettiest thing in the world, but it's this right here. Okay, this is like supposed to be like a little toolbox, and it just opens up, and you have all these little compartments right here, and you can change the sizes of it. You can use this literally for everything, y'all. I got this from Amazon, and it came with a pack of 4. And the reason I got this was because I wanted a place to put like all of my more fancy jewelry, to kind of separate it from my like normal kind of everyday jewelry. And it's a good way to be able to, like, if you travel a lot, or if you do, I don't know, if you're going on a photo shoot or anything like that, like to be able to put all of your stuff. I'll put like a little mini deodorant, and then some of my earrings, and then my necklaces, and literally like it just helps me organize all of my jewelry type stuff. But you could literally organize anything and everything with this. These are so handy to have around your house. This next product is another one that is actually available with the Spring FabFitFun box. Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience brand. This is their moisturizing hand scrub, and this is elderberry and raspberry. I love this product. I now keep this by my sink, and anytime my hands start to feel like really dry, I will wet my hands a little bit, put a little dollop of this in my hands, and then scrub for like maybe 20 to 30 seconds, rinse it off, and my hands will feel like a baby's butt. It's so good. I feel like my hands tend to get drier and drier the older I get, which I guess that's just like, you know, you lose moisture in your skin as you get older, so yay me. But this really works, and I love it. The next product is a self-tanning product that I've been loving, and this is the Bondi Sands Aerated Self-Tanning Foam. This is called their Liquid Gold Quick Dry Formula. Not just this one though. The Bondi Sands brand of self-tanners in general, I really, really love. This is a brand that you can find at Walgreens. I don't know if they sell it at other places, but I know you can find it at Walgreens. That's where I get mine. And I love it. It gives such a good color. So this one is, again, their quick dry formula. It's not like they're ultra dark or anything, but you can see like it gives you just a really, really nice glow to the skin. It's not overly tan, it's not orange. I feel like it just gives my skin just enough color to make me feel like a little healthier. You know what I mean? Like when you have a little color to your skin, you feel like, I don't know, that's just me anyway. And this one has a coconut scent, which does smell like coconut when you first put it on, but I'm not gonna lie, it definitely does smell like self-tan as it starts to develop. I haven't met a self-tanner yet that doesn't eventually smell like self-tan once it starts to develop. So that being said, it's affordable and I really, really do love it. Just a few more products and we will be finished. Another hair product that I've been loving. I know I just did my Curlsmith video and talked to you about the Strength recipe line. This one just deserves another round of applause because it's that good. This is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is like a treatment for the hair. You do this before you wash your hair. It is basically like a dupe for the Olaplex No. 3 product that everyone raves about. I love the Olaplex No. 3 product, but I love this even more. I don't know, I get such great results when I use this, so this has just been my go-to. It's amazing. This next product is a very random one, but I had to share it with you guys because I'm just so in love with it, and I'm always trying to find a really good, yummy protein bar. I have a really hard time finding protein bars that the texture isn't funky and doesn't taste chalky and have a weird proteiny taste to it. This has by far been one of my favorite finds. This is the One brand, 20 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. I bought the variety pack. It comes with 12 bars. These are the 4 that it comes with. It comes with peanut butter pie, which the peanut butter pie, so good. Maple glazed donut. This is birthday cake, and then almond bliss, another just, oh my goodness, so dang good. I just think they taste amazing and it's such a quick, easy way to get in some protein, and I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Another purchase that I made from Amazon recently that I cannot get enough of, and that is this water bottle right here. I don't know the name of it, but again, I'll link it in the description box. I didn't make fun of people, but I just never understood it. I was just like, why do you need a water bottle that has times on it to tell you when to drink your water and how to drink? Like, just drink water. Get a water bottle, fill it up, and drink it, right? But I noticed that I wasn't getting as much water as I typically do, and I kept seeing this pop up, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna see if it makes any difference. If it makes me more aware of my water intake, and y'all, I have to say, it absolutely did. It's like a mind game, but it really, really works. So I got the smaller bottle because I wanted it to be able to fit in my car console. That way I could take it with me. But they do have a big version where you only fill it up once a day. This one, it goes from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then you fill it up again, and it goes from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. So you get all of your water that you need in a day. You fill it up twice. What I love about this is that it's got a little click thing right here, and it just opens up, so this part stays covered so it's not getting all nasty, you know. And I love that it has a handle. It also comes with a little wrist holder, and it does not get condensation on it. So this has been an obsession of mine. I love it. The next product is another skincare item that I've been loving, and it is this bad boy right here. This is the Dermalogica Neck Fit Contour Serum. So this is specifically for the neck, and it helps to tighten and tone the neck. It basically, you know, targets the looser skin around the neck area. As we age, this is where we lose elasticity. Yay me again. I wasn't sure that it would work, but it really does work. When I use this, I let it kind of dry, and as it dries, I definitely feel like my skin gets tighter and more just like taut. So I love it. I've been using it twice a day, in the morning and at night, and it and it's so good. And then my last few items are what I am wearing, and this product right here, this little headband, it came with a pack of 4. I actually got these like last year, but I just kind of rediscovered them because they are like more summery, spring, you know, type patterns. And I think especially if you have curly hair, they're just such a cute way to pull your hair out of your face. They're just too cute. This necklace actually came from a friend of mine who has her own like jewelry. She designs cups, she designs jewelry and stuff. So I purchased this from her, and she is on Instagram. I'll leave her information in the description box. And then my last product is this little shirt right here. Oh my gosh. So it's a little racer back in the back, but I am obsessed with these. I've gotten 2 packs of them on Amazon now. They come with a pack of 6, and they just are amazing. The quality is amazing. I use them for working out. I use them to put under dresses or shirts that might be a little too low cut. I use them to put under like cardigans, and they're so affordable. Like for a pack of 6, I think it's like $30 or $35. I literally feel like I've been wearing them every single day. So definitely money well spent. And that is it for my favorites. I know this was a lot of stuff. Again, make sure to let me know what you have been loving. Have you tried any of the products that I showed today? If you did, let me know. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please, please, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.